Rooms in the house. This is the living room where we receive our guests. This is the dining room where we eat together. This is the kitchen where we cook our food. This is the bedroom where we rest and sleep. And this is the bathroom where we take a bath. Today, let's also learn about the use of these are and those are. Let's start with how Maria used these are in sentences, showing some things in her house. These are chairs. These are plates. These are pillows. These are glasses. These are pails. These are towels. Now let's have a look of the things in Miguel's house. And Miguel used those are in sentences. Those are flowers. Those are spoons. Those are pots. Those are blankets. Those are soaps. Those are toothbrushes. Notice that we use these are when we talk about more than one object near us. And we use those are when we talk about more than one object far from us. Now let's try to make a sentence. What shall Miguel say? These are beds. Right. What will Maria say? Those are pots. Correct. Now you know the use of these are and those are. It's time to answer the challenges in your book. Good luck!